Want to give your WordPress site a fresh new look without breaking anything? In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your WordPress theme effectively, step by step, so your site stays beautiful and functional. Stick around until the end for pro tips that keep your content safe and your design on point. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. In the top right corner, click Login. For a faster, more secure login, choose Continue with Google. Then pick the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your site. On the right panel, look for Quick Links and click Edit Site. If you manage multiple websites, double check that you're editing the correct one. This saves you from accidental changes. Now, let's head to the design area. In the right-hand panel, click the Template tab. Inside, you'll see a section called Design. This is where all the available WordPress themes live. Take a moment to explore. WordPress offers hundreds of professionally designed themes, and each one can completely transform the look and feel of your site. Preview a few options to see how they handle your menus, images, and text. Look for features like responsive layouts, customizable headers, and color palettes that match your brand. When you find the perfect theme, simply click Save in the top right corner. WordPress will instantly apply the new design across your site. Don't worry, your pages and posts remain intact. It's just the look that changes, not your content. Here's a quick pro tip. Before making a big theme change on a live site, consider creating a backup or working in a staging site if you have one. That way you can test the new design without risking any surprises for your visitors. And that's it. Your WordPress site now has a brand new look for 2025. Changing themes is one of the easiest ways to refresh your brand and keep your website feeling modern. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress and website tips every week. Have questions or a favorite theme to recommend? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy designing.